Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. This is Virgo for the zodiac signs gone bad. This one really has to be one of my favorites so far. Look at that. I really don't want to take her off. You know what they say, all good things must come to an end, and she's in my hair. Let's just start from the bottom. No physical pain, just emotional. Oh my god. I broke a flower. Literally. How does that happen? Did she get in my eyebrow? No, she didn't. Please don't rip my hair out. I think we're safe. Damn. I know this glitter will stay with me for months. Face so clean. Have a great day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? It is time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Time for the good stuff. Okay. Ooh. I wanted to take it off all in one piece, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I mean, kinda. This was my second attempt at doing the lust look because the first time I did it, I did not like it. I am pretty happy with this one though. I need to go wash my face. I'll be right back. So much better. The full tutorial for that look, as well as the products I used, will be in the link in my profile. And as always, have an amazing day, you guys. Well, hello there, little freaks. It's time to take this off again. Y'all know the drill. I'm gonna take my contacts off first because I can't see. Much better. Oh, and if you guys didn't know, this makeup look is a part of my 7-part series for the 7 deadly sins. This is gluttony. I hope I said that right. Now for the good stuff. Lovely. I'm actually kind of proud of this one though. I'm gonna go wash my face. I'll be right back. And there we go. If you guys have questions about the products I used or just want to see the full tutorial, go ahead and click the link in my profile. Oh, and one more thing. Have a great day. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. I'm honestly surprised I can still talk. I should probably talk a little quieter, huh? My constant desire to scream is preventing me from posting good ASMR. Anyways, let's take her off. Only one way to go. Oh my god. I ruined my lashes for this. It was all worth it though. Gotta take the rest of this off and it better not stain my face. I took a shower and my skin isn't stained. I am cold though. If you're curious about what products I use, go ahead and check out my YouTube channel. Have an amazing day, you guys.
Take off my makeup with me, zombie edition. Let's get rid of these contacts. There's one. There's two. Okay, here we go. That looks good. All right, gotta get this one off the forehead. I'm in pain. Love that for me. Let's get this spicy little number off my neck. My cheek looks so chunky. I don't know if this is ever coming off.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, baby, it's time to take this off again. I haven't done anything with latex for so long, it feels weird. Oh boy, a nice long one here. Come on. Oh, there we go. I was trying so hard to not get this into my eyebrows. Nice. Oh. But that's not it. We got these ones too. Boom. That's it. Now I need to go wash my face. All clean now. I will be posting a tutorial for this look on my YouTube, so feel free to check it out. Have a great day, you guys! Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. This is a look from my 7 Deadly Sins series. This is greed, as you can tell. I'm gonna start by taking my contacts off because I can't see. Ah, much better. Time for the good stuff. Oh yeah. That was easy. Nice. And that's all? Just kidding, we got this one too. Oh. Okay, good enough. I've been obsessed with this cleanser, so I'm gonna go wash my face real quick. Eyebrows who? The full tutorial for this look will be in the link in my bio. Have a great day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. It's really all about the eye on my hand. With my left hand was way more difficult than I expected. Wow. Now this one. Putting on contacts without moving my hands was probably one of the most difficult things I've done so far. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, this is Libra. I think I messed up my wig trying to make a bun. Oh well, I'll just brush it out later. Gemstone eyebrows. Ooh. Nice. They never come off in one piece like that, see? Well, good to know my eyebrows are still there. I literally couldn't even see these ones. Good thing I took my contacts off. Should have done it earlier though. I'm not even gonna try to wash this off. I'm just gonna go and shower. My eyes are slightly stained, but other than that, I am clean.
We gotta take this makeup off fast. My friend just landed at the airport and I'm supposed to pick him up. But it's a 35-minute drive. He's got a checked bag though, so like I should be fine. Right? That stuff takes a while to come out. The one time it doesn't. And like I'm pretty sure he's in the back of the plane. Okay, no, I just checked. He's in row 8. So good. And his plane even got delayed originally. Like by an hour. And here we are, ladies. Will I ever be punctual? I'm gonna have to go with probably not. I've just accepted it at this point. If I really needed to, I could have gotten in the car with my makeup on. Like, only a few tens of people would have seen me get out of my car at the airport. So, yummy, look at that eyebrow. I just want to take a bite. My eye, it be black and blue. I look like Barney just gave birth to me. If y'all think I'm lying, this is a picture he sent me from the plane. I genuinely always have somewhere to be. Speaking of which, I gotta go.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? 'Tis time to take this off again. This is Taurus, and she got her horns ripped off. Snatch the weave. As much as I like this, it needs to go. This baby one too. And now for the latex. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. I'm really bad at this. I swear, every time I wear a black wig, it makes me want to dye my hair black. Ooh, almost forgot the falsies. Boop. These contacts make me look so evil, but I need to take them out. And just like that, I'm back to my normal self. Have an amazing day, you guys.
Hi guys, welcome to me hurting myself by taking off makeup. Let me get these contacts out. Let's get some of these gems off. Ow. Let's get these mustache gems off. Oh my god. It feels like I'm waxing my lip. Ow! Let's get this one off and this one. All these forehead gems. I'm gonna use this piece of tape to try and get some of the glitter off. I forgot I had eyelashes on. I'm gonna go shower. The time has come to take this off. But where do we start, you may ask? Well, let's take these fins out that I bobby pinned to my wig and this crown. Remove these beautiful, luscious blue locks. Oh my. Believe it or not, my eyes are not actually yellow. Let's take these out. I'm about to be Spain without the S. Let's do that again. Oh my god. My cheeks are actually throbbing. Let's see what this does. I'm gonna go shower.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It is time to take this off again. This is the third part to my Zodiac series, and this is Aquarius. I was going for a bit of that drowned mermaid look with all the barnacles on my face. Hope you like it. But I can't stay on my face for that long, so we gotta take it off. Bye-bye, barnacle boy. Ooh. Damn, my skin is red. Ooh. Who's this? Not me. Ooh. Bye-bye. Like that. The saddest part is always taking the lashes off, though. No more contacts. Gotta clean my face. My eyes are stained blue. Oh well, let's take the hair out. Wow, my hair's not purple anymore. Just kidding, it's purple. And that's it. And as always, I will post the tutorial and all the products I used on my YouTube. Have a great day, you guys.
Take off my makeup with me. Gotta get this beautiful flower crown out and this veil. I'm literally living my Nicki Minaj fantasy with this wig. Take these contacts out. There's one. Oh, there's two. Get these gems off. These eyelashes are massive. This is so pretty, I don't want to take it off. Here we go. Oh, depression. Like seriously, please appreciate the detail on this neck. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me. Handsome Squidward edition. Alright, I'm gonna start with the bald cap. Oh gosh. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this chin off without remover. Part of it. Oh my god, that hurts so bad. I used some spirit gum remover. I can't. I literally can't. My skin is literally burning. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go shower. I was supposed to meet my friends for dinner a half hour ago, so let's take this off. I turned myself into a doll. It took longer than expected, per usual, but the restaurant is actually only 10 minutes away. They already ordered appetizers for the table, so there's gonna be food there when I get there. I haven't done like a special effects moment in a while. Ow. Now I remember why. It hurts. Ready? My cat is jingling a ball in the background. She's very interested in what's going on here. Should I have just went to the restaurant like this? I'm in LA. I feel like they've definitely seen weirder things. Like, they would definitely double take when I walked in, but after that, I feel like no one would care. I also just got surgery, lol. But no off days. I gotta be able to pay rent this month. We'll still heal regardless of if I'm sitting on my couch or doing makeup. Did y'all even notice that that wasn't my real eyebrow? Get pranked. Wipe. Me and my boyfriend also broke up this week, so I would say I'm struggling a little. I'm gonna go wash my face. Please send me good vibes. Take off my makeup with me. Baby Yoda edition. Let's get this stuff off. Oh my gosh. Let me take these contacts out. Let's get this bald cap off. This is a look right here. Oh wow. Let's try and wipe it off. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me. Grr. Let me get these contacts out. I can see. This is gonna hurt. I have never gotten that off in one try before. Like, I'm actually shocked. Now I'm gonna spray some makeup melt and rub that in. This is definitely gonna stain my face. Now I'm taking my makeup towel and wiping that off. I'm only slightly stained pink. Thanks for watching.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You already know what time it is? It is time to take this off again. This is the second part to my Zodiac series, and this is Sagittarius. Did I say that right? I did not say that right. Anyways, time for the good stuff. Oh, that didn't go as expected. Let's do that again. Okay, better. There we go. Nice. There we go. And the last one. Oh, that one's in my hair. But I do be like that sometimes. I got this though. Come on. It's out. Gotta take the rest of this off. And that is all. And as always, the tutorial and all the products I used will be in my YouTube. Have a great day, you guys. Okay, I finally completed the mission of becoming a human disco ball. I cannot wait to take this off because I can't, move my face. This is all I can do. But let's try. That's terrifying. I'm getting little fin gills. That's not the word. There's latex on my fingers, and it's really late, and I want to go to sleep. You know, after having this much glitter on myself, I don't think I will ever get rid of it. But I can try. I found an edge. Let's do the face. Okay, that was scary. I feel like a superhero. Like, this is like my mask. The audio cut out here for whatever reason, but pretend I'm like crying. Painful latexes. The audio is out again. Still crying. Yeah. Let's do the neck. 3, 2, 1. Hope you weren't watching that for the ASMR, because I just screamed. I tried to do like an ASMR version of this on my Instagram, so if you want to check it out, you can. Ow. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. Yes, it's time to take this monstrosity off of my face. I can't wait. There's just so much going on here, I don't even know where to start. I want to take this massive snowflake off of my face. Ow! It only got a little bit of my hair, it's fine. Let's do a smile. Ah! That didn't hurt at all. Let's do the horn. Ooh. My neck is still covered with latex and I have no idea how to take it off. It's like in patches too. I can't even see it. Ah! Help. It's literally just pulling my neck off. I give up. Hopefully it comes off in the shower. Forgot that little piece there. It came off. Woo!